my channel. In today's video we will be wandering the streets of Seville. We will visit the Cathedral of Seville, where Columbus is buried, explore some of the main attractions of the city, and of course watch some flamenco. The Cathedral of Seville is also known as the Cathedral of Saint Mary of the Sea, is one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in the world and UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was built in the early 15th century on the site of a former mosque, and its grand architecture features stunning altarpieces, chapels, and the famous tomb of Christopher Columbus. And Giralda Tower, originally constructed as a minaret for the mosque, standing at approximately 104 meters, 341 feet, it offers panoramic view of the city. Together, Cathedral and Giralda are iconic symbols of Seville and significant landmarks in Spanish history. Going up to the Giralda Tower. Weather is burning hot.
33 degrees, but it feels like 40. Extremely hot.
Plaza de España is a stunning square located in Seville built for the Ibero-American exhibition of 1929. Designed by architect Aníbal González, it features a semicircular building adorned with ceramic tiles representing different provinces of Spain. Plaza is surrounded by a picturesque canal and is characterized by its beautiful fountains, bridges, and lush gardens. It serves as a popular gathering place and it's renowned for its architectural beauty, blending elements of Renaissance and Moorish styles.
Fluss die Straße Betis, so nach der Epoche der Römer benannt.
Good morning, everyone. We are at Setas de Sevilla. It is a mushroom building constructed in 2005 but opened in 2011. You can see whole Sevilla from here. Tickets cost us 15 euro per person. Once you purchase your ticket and go up there, you can also return on the same day for LED show. of the Indies, one of the most important historical archives in the world. Established in 1785, it houses an extensive collection of documents related to the Spanish Empire's colonial activities in the Americas and the Philippines. Archive contains over 43,000 files, including maps, letters, and official records that provides valuable insights into the history of exploration, colonization, and trade. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987, General Archive of the Indies is a vital resource for historians and researchers studying Spain's colonial past.